gently drops the rain. I never had but one true love. In the greenwood she is lain. I will do as much for my sweetheart as any young man may. I will sit and mourn all on her grave for a 12-month and a day. When the 12-month and a day were past, the ghost began to speak. Why sittest thou here all on my grave, and will not let me sleep? There is one thing that I crave, sweetheart, one thing is all I crave, and that is a kiss from thy pale cold lips, and I will go from thy grave. My lips are cold as the clay, sweetheart. My breath smells heavy and strong. If you were to kiss my pale parched lips, then your time would not be long. When shall we meet again, sweetheart? When shall we meet again? When the oaken leaves fall from the trees and the green springs up